Welcome to a serene dairy farm where Jersey cows graze peacefully. The cows are known for their gentle nature and high-quality milk production. Each cow is cared for with love and attention by the dedicated farmers. Witness the daily milking process that ensures freshness and purity. The farm's commitment to sustainable practices reflects in every drop of milk. Experience the harmonious bond between the cows and their environment. From pasture to dairy, follow the journey of milk straight from the source. Appreciate the natural beauty that surrounds this idyllic dairy farm. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of this farm and its gentle inhabitants. Discover the essence of sustainable farming and the legacy of Jersey cows.